It's finally here. The first ever official Apple Experience Center in Central Africa. This is quite great news for the Apple brand fans, as Apple opened its very first icenter Experience Center at the Douala Grand Mall, at Shop G25 last Friday the 12th of August. It's a space where one can find all the original and quality certified Apple products, with up to 18 months warranty. This new icenter will deliver world-class Apple experience in the Central African country, give the clients access to all products of the Apple brand, and they will also benefit technical assistance from a certified engineer, in order to experience in live by themselves all the various Apple products. The role of this new icenter will also be to ensure the wholesale commercialization of Apple products to sellers of Apple products, and also to establish strategic partnerships with various enterprises within the country. In order to stay up to date with all the latest fascinating happenings in Cameroon and Africa, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and click on that notification bell icon to stay up to date. Our content is reliable, verified and entertaining. Thanks to the efforts of our highly enthusiastic team, please reciprocate by liking, commenting and sharing. And for the first time in Central Africa, Apple will introduce prolonged premium guarantee of 18 months on all its products, and a guarantee of 6 months on phone screens. The opening of this new icenter at the Douala Grand Mall will also permit its clients to gain immediate access to iPhone 14 once released on the market, as well as other related products of this vast Apple brand like the Mac, iPod, iPad, Apple Watch etc. According to our sources, Cameroon was chosen for the implantation of this first icenter in Central Africa due to its proximity to neighboring Nigeria and due to its bilingualism. Cameroon is therefore a test market for the implementation of Apple in Central Africa. Other countries will evidently follow suit. This is a beginning step towards the development and modernization of our African continent, and we hope on this channel to see more of such partnerships. That's where we wrap it today. Please don't forget to like and share the video as this helps the channel grow. And subscribe to stay up to date on my next posts. God bless you, and I love you. Ciao.